Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this JBL Tune 230NC TWS. So I am going to show you how to factory reset this device. So to do that, I am going to open this case and taking this bud out. So here the button is there, the touch one. So I am going to tap this for 3 times like this, and for the third time I am going to hold it 5 to 7 seconds so that this light will turn off and this earbud also will turn off. That means it has been factory resetted. So I'm going to do that. 1 2 3, you can see here the light will turn off here. So the light has been turned off. That means it has been back to factory defaults, factory reset. So this is the basic step to do the factory defaults. Now I am going to close this for few seconds and this is enough. Now I am going to open. You can see here, now it will be going to pairing mode. Yes, you can see the blue light is blinking. So this is the basic steps to do factory defaults, factory reset. Alright, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Bye.